Hi guys, welcome to Healeyverse Creations. I'm Matt. Today we're going to be doing more leather crafting stuff, except today it's going to be more fixing things. It's not going to be a new creation, it's something I've already created that I'm going to be adding some things to. Now you may have seen them on our 10th video. These are the two pouches that I made for my wife's utility belt thing. At the moment, there's no means of closing them properly. There's no pins or buckles or studs or anything. Now I have some Sam Browne buttons. So what we're going to do today is just quite simple. I'm going to be switching this tab around so that a little symbol is at the top and I don't have to worry about putting a hole through it. And I'm just going to be adding a button to this one and a button to this one. Nice and short, simple. Hope I don't bore you too much. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you'd like to come with us on more journeys. Let's get doing some Sam Browne buttons. Okay, so that should be just about all of it completed now. Got both of them right here, all Sam Browne buttoned up and ready to go. When we go on our little hiking adventures, she doesn't have to worry about all the phone and everything falling out of this one now. This one's mainly cosplay costume. She probably won't use this one too much out and about. I've already made her some little rooms to go in this one. This one, however, she's already used a couple of times. But you have to watch the shorts for that. Also, while I have you here, I managed to steal this one off of my dad. Now, he's not one for doing all the LARP stuff, so for him it was easier to have something that he could attach on and off without necessarily having to take his belt on and off every time. Hence he's got the little metal hooks on here, which I only actually did last minute. Originally I'd done him the same loops that I'd put on Katie's, but then I realised he'd probably want to take it on and off more, so I just attached these as well. Turned out to be a great idea. That's how he's had it attached every time, and it's actually perfectly lined up so that when it's on his jeans it meets up with the two belt hooks, so it doesn't even need to hang on his belt. It can just sit on his jeans, so that's great. It all worked perfectly. Fits his phone, his wallet, all the stuff he needs on him when he's, trying to remember what he should have in his pockets. And yeah, that's all of them, all done. Sam Browne buttoned up. Since I never got to show this one the first time, I thought I'd just point out that I really like the additional stitch line I had to do along here. The piece that I had was a funny shape, so it wasn't long enough one way, so I just cut the line straight and attached the piece from this side onto this side to make the top flat. Worked a treat. Big fan. That's all three of them, all done. And the next time I look at making a pouch, it'll either be one for my mother or one of the kids, or myself, maybe one day. Until then, I hope you enjoy the next few videos that come out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, please leave a comment, let us know what you're thinking in the section below. And yeah, hope to see you on the next one.